Roxy, where are you taking your train? Why are you pulling it? Roxy's coming to help. You just gonna pull it around the house? Good thing we got those balloons on it so we can know where you are. You just gonna pull it around the house, aren't you? Oh, you need to do some dishes? That makes Mama happy. Oh, we need to take out some dishes, huh? Oh, you're gonna put your train in the cabinet. No, bad idea. Dang, stove's in the way. Maybe we should go in a room with less stuff. Oh no, the baby getting frustrated. Come on, we got you. It's no big deal. Oh, come on. There we go. Good girl. Boom, into the door.